back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix delayed notifications on Instagram. If you're experiencing delayed notifications on Instagram in 2024, here's a guideline to help you troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. First, you need to check your internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. Delayed notification can sometimes occur due to poor connectivity. Also, update your Instagram. Simply go to your Play Store and look out for the Instagram and open the Instagram app, and make sure you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. Developers often release updates to address bugs and improve performance, including notification delays. Also, check for the notification settings. Simply what you have to do is look out for the Instagram app and press the Instagram like this. Go to the app information and go to the permissions over here. Make sure the microphone is allowed. Go back again, look out for the notifications, make sure it's toggled on. If it's off like this, simply turn on the button. And if you can simply restart the app as well. When you open your Instagram app, simply close it out. Sometimes restarting the app can refresh it and resolve temporary issues with notifications. If restarting the app does not work, try restarting your device. A simple restart can often fix various issues, including delayed notifications. And if issues still persist, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. This can help fix any corrupted device or settings that may be causing the notification delay. And by following these guidelines, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially fix delayed notifications on Instagram. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.